Hello everyone, I am Sogato Chakravarti. I had attended a session on vision with others. In the session, all the attendees were asked to create a vision statement for themselves. They were asked to create a vision board, sign it, and share it with others. I saw many of the attendees completed the task, but I could not come up with even a single vision statement for myself. Different thoughts were crossing my minds. Why I should create a vision statement? Why I should even share it with others? Vision statements are for big corporates. I was wrong in thinking so. We need personal vision statement in our life because it is easy to get distracted, to lose sight of what is important to us. And when we get disconnected from our life's direction, other people's agenda becomes our own. Have you noticed how every phone call, emails, and even notifications on your screen removes your full attention? I hope you have also faced situations where you were completely engrossed in work, completely focused on work, and a certain distraction removes your full attention. Put in your comments below which situations that has occurred to you, that has distracted you from your focus on work. I believe vision doesn't eliminate these distractions, but it helps us, inspires us to focus on what really matters to us. A compelling vision statement can illuminate our way in period of darkness. It can inspire us to remove all the stuff that holds us back. I would like to end the video with a quote, begin with the end in mind. Subscribe to my channel, share it with friends for more tips and tricks on growth mindset. Put in your comments below with at least one takeaway for you from the video. Hope this video has helped you in some way. Thank you for watching.